Blooming surface. It's like a bowl filled with pure natural wind. Nature with pure breeze. We'll take it and keep it. Soft blended. The natural harmony of matte and glossy on nature. It makes glorious shining design and body. Beauty in depth. Create more transparency for transparent beauties. It's like the crystal clear of nature. Enrich the life beauty. Incognizable atmospheric pollution is disappeared. Become more worthy and value of life. Stays cooler and fresher. It's a lively bracing wind walking through the clouds. As if pure and invigorating air.